Previous classes we discussed the first we discussed in previous classes conic section after definition of parabola, and after definition of parabola we see the standard form of parabola. Now before going to the exercise 3 we have some various forms of parabola. Fourth topic is various forms of parabola. We see that some of the various forms of parabola. Here we have that is case 1, y square equal to 4ax. Here y square equal to 4ax. Now here focus also we discussed in previous class, that is here fixed point focus s a comma 0. Equation of directrix, this is a fixed line, the fixed straight line the is called x plus a equal to 0, and axis of parabola is nothing but y equal to 0. How we say that axis of parabola means where the curve lies on which axis? The curve lies on y axis, so therefore axis of parabola is y equal to 0, and vertex a, here vertex a is origin is 0 comma 0. This is a case 1. Suppose the y axis, again the parabola lies on axis is y equal to 0, but second coordinate. Now how we say that is y square equal to minus 4ax. Now the focus of here s is minus a comma 0, because of here we take the here fixed point. Suppose here x axis the value slice is a positive, that is x and y is positive. Here x is negative and y is positive, this coordinate, and this x axis. So we take as this is minus a comma 0, that is focus minus a comma 0. Equation of directrix, in this case we take as x plus a, and this case is x minus a equal to 0. Axis of parabola is y equal to 0 and vertex is 0 comma 0. Clear? Now, and the third case, in this third case, from these similar cases we have to derive the origin shifted to another point. The origin, here we say that very important point. Here origin we say that a is a vertex, nothing but origin. The origin shifted to another point, that is we say that h comma k. A is shifted to another point. The point is h comma k. So depending on that point, these three cases again modifies as this case 3 and case 4. Case 3 and case 4. Now case 3 is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Case 3. Now the diagram is nothing but this, like that. In this diagram we clearly discussing here x axis and this is y axis. These origin shifted to this point, so that is the vertex, or here the fixed point is s, the focus is a plus h comma k. The focus is a plus h comma k, and equation of directrix is x minus h plus a equal to 0. Axis of parabola is y minus k. This is y minus k equal to 0, and vertex is h comma k. The vertex is nothing but this is a, this is h comma k. This is s is a focus and x minus h plus a is a directrix. So similarly in this case we get here minus, here we have plus, we get here minus, that is y minus k whole square equal to minus 4ax and x minus h. Here focus is nothing but h minus a comma k, and axis of parabola y minus k equal to 0, and vertex also is h comma k. In these two cases vertex is h comma k, the directrix values will be changed. Here we adding here minus h, so x minus h minus a equal to 0, and x minus minus h minus a equal to 0. And from these two we observing that from these 4 cases, here similar we have here x plus a, we have only minus h, and here x minus a, we get here x minus minus h. So to compare these 4 diagrams, we can similarly identify which type of various forms of parabola lies. Okay, now again we have another 4 various forms of parabola. Another various forms of equation is case 5. that is various forms of parabola. The case is 5, that is x square equal to 4ay. In this case, the parabola lies on x axis. Now the parabola lies on x axis. Okay. Now again, focus is the fixed point is focus is called 0 comma a, and equation of directrix, the equation of directrix y plus a equal to 0. Axis of parabola, the parabola lies on axis is x equal to 0 and vertex is 0 comma 0. Simply we derive the diagram equation, and x square equal to minus 4y, case 6. In this, now again also the director is y minus a equal to, here be y plus a, and this is y minus a equal to 0. Now here also vertex is also 0 comma 0 and axis of parabola is x equal to 0. The only value changing focus. The focus is nothing but 0 comma minus a. Why? Because here y value is negative. So 0 comma minus a. Now axis of parabola is as usual x equal to 0 and vertex is 0 comma 0. These are the two diagrams, and here we have the case 7. The case 7 is nothing but x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. X minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. Now focus is h comma a plus k, and equation of director is y minus k plus a equal to 0. How you are saying here we add in minus k. Now y minus k plus a equal to 0. Now axis of parabola, here x we have, we can minus subtract x minus h equal to 0. Here vertex 0 comma 0, the vertex can be changed as h comma k. Simply we say that here x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. Here minus h and here also minus k we get. Now the focus is 0 comma a. Here g pro can be replaced with h, and here a can be added with a plus k, that is h comma a plus k. And equation of director is y plus a equal to 0. We get on this case y minus k plus a equal to 0. Similarly, case 6. Here x square and x square equal to minus 4ay. Next case we get x minus h whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Minus 4a into y minus k. The focus is again h comma k minus a, adding only k. Now equation of director is as usual y minus k minus a equal to 0. Here on this next case we get y minus k plus a equal to 0. In this case y minus k minus a equal to 0. Now as usual the axis of parabola x minus h equal to 0 and vertex is h comma k. These are the various types of parabola.